How's it going? Yes, how's it going, guys? Welcome. How's everyone doing? Just before I start, I'm just gonna before I actually start, I'm gonna just check the volume really quickly, just to check everything's running okay. How's it going? Yes. Yeah, seems alright. Seems alright. Good. Yeah. Gold's had a sell-off as predicted. I said, guys, anybody in the community here, I said that gold at this level had a good chance of selling off. And we've actually pushed over 100 ticks. So, decent little call there. Like I say, not exactly the hardest call to make. You know, you had a double top that got liquidated on this red candle. You closed bearish, rejecting the range. You know, to call over 100 ticks there. Like, 100 ticks is 100 ticks. Beautiful call, but yeah, the concepts were all there for the shorts. Yo, Dean, how's it going? Welcome, Dean. Everything clear, guys? Everything clear? But yeah, gold is actually looking like it's going to close below here now, which is annoying because it's actually not got a top wick on the 30 hourly. I'll run through everything in a second. I'm just going to delete my chart for now. Yeah, one sec, guys. I'm just in the community really quickly. Wait for a few more people to join and then we'll start. Like I said, we've only got 6 people here right now. When it gets to like 10, 15 people, then I'll start. Like I say, if you just got here, guys, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Yes, Dean. Dean's always here. Yeah, as I say, I'm just waiting for a few more to join. I don't want to go over it 3 or 4 times. Give it 2 or 3 minutes and then we'll start. Hopefully we can see some decent numbers again. What we're on Thursday. Like I say, you know, start of the week's always busy. Friday, Saturday not as busy, but we'll see what the session brings. Okay. It is 12:30 London time now, so. Yes, Ron, how's it going, bro? It is 12:30 London time now, so. Just check my things on. Good. Lovely stuff wearing. Right, yeah, it's starting to fill up now. We've got a decent number. We've got 10 people in. Yeah, I'll start breaking the chart down in a second. Give it 3 minutes. 3 minutes and I'll start. Yeah, give it 3 minutes and I'll start. Gold is actually dropping. So you're probably going to see gold come take this trendline liquidity here soon. It is actually starting to take it now. And I already mentioned this in the community. All the retail are starting to get taken out. Look, if they have their stops below this, low on the third touch, they're starting to get stopped out. Yo, Jamie, how's it going, bro? Yeah, we're getting a few people in here. Ron, welcome, bro. Yes, right. Yeah, got decent. We've got 15 people here. Beautiful. Good stuff, guys. Right. What am I seeing? And I've just gone through the main bias for me. And like I've just mentioned to the 4 or 5 people who were here early, if you look back in any community members, when Price was here, I said we're likely to see a pullback or like a sell-off on gold. And since that, we've sold off 100 ticks. Reason being is just look at the price action. You had equal highs here, look. 2 equal highs that got taken from this one red candle. This liquidity grab, clean as it comes, and it even took liquidity here to the left too. So he had a triple top really that got liquidated in one 15-minute candle. But something to note, look at this 15-minute liquidity grab. And the reason I was so heavily why was I expecting a sell-off so much is because look at this 15, look at the 30, and look at the hourly. They all have a shooting star liquidity grab. Look, hourly took liquidity, closed bearish. 30-minute took liquidity, closed bearish, and the 15. You know, you've got 3 candles there. One sec, guys. You've got 3 candles there, look, that have taken liquidity, closed bearish. You know, you had your little pullback at the time, and it's pushed down like 90, 100 ticks, which beautiful from there. But yeah, I'm gonna look to try and continue this down if we can get closes. But for me right now, I'd like a strong close below here. I am aware that Price hasn't created a top wick on this hourly yet, so that could get taken, or that could get created at any time. I've taken partials on this 15, letting it still run. Yeah, good stuff, Jamie. Nice work, mate. That's what we like to see. Like I said, and this is what it's all about. Like, if you took 15-minute entries here, on this, if you took 15-minute entries here, one sec. If you took 15-minute entries here, you know, letting the rest run, it's absolutely fine. You know, you've taken what, into this level, you've taken 80 ticks, you know, just letting the rest run now, see how far it goes. It's great. Do I think we could react from this level? Yeah, of course. I'm going to be wanting a closure below here at least. But yeah, guys, let's see what we can get here. Let's see what we can get here. Like I say, for me, the range I'd play for now is probably this. Let's have a look. Possibly, yeah, I'll probably play this for now. You know, you've got a lot of levels here on gold for the downside sell. Like I say, it can get a bit confusing when you've got a lot of levels on gold, like so. Just waiting for them cleaners closes. Hey Duncan, how's it going, mate? Welcome to the stream, bro. Yeah, let's see what gold does. I hope it just doesn't range after that sell-off. You know, we have sold off like 100 ticks. I hope it just doesn't range now. I don't want to sit here and chop, but we'll see. Guys, let me know. Is the connection good on your end? Like, can you hear me clearly? See the chart clearly? Just let me know. Thumbs up, yes. Or if it's bad, just put no. Please let me know. What's the 4 hour looking like? 4 hours looking like we could continue lower too. Yeah, that is probably the level there, to be fair, that you'd want to get below. Yeah, I'm saying here for sells. Back below here. Look at that. Resistance. Now acting as support. Bit of resistance here too, yeah. Back below here for sells. See how we react anyway. Because we are taking, and I already mentioned this before, look, trendline liquidity is getting taken too, look, bang. You know, stacking that confluence for sells. So for me, sell targets would be down here at 26.03. Okay. Within this range, we can look for some positions, but it will be half risk. Like I said, we've already taken some great, like over 100 ticks already today for me. 3 positions, over 100 ticks. I took a long here to pass the another 150k challenge. I literally got out at like 25 ticks profit. Look. Took some profit in Asia last night. Good stuff, Duncan. Nice work, mate. Dean, all good. Yeah, good to hear. Nice one. It's typical, isn't it? It is actually typical. As soon as I start streaming, all day it's been super quiet. As soon as I start streaming, someone starts drilling next door. I don't know if you can hear that, guys. Let me know if you can hear it in the chat. I can hear it quite loud. Let me know if you can hear it or not. Yeah, I'm going to be seeing how this, like I say, it could, I don't like to say it, I just know with how gold moves, it could get a little bit rangy now. You know, we have had a decent look since, you know, for the day, on the day already, we pushed up 400 ticks, and we sold off pre-US 130 ticks. So if gold is going to be a bit slow now, it will be in the US session. Because London pushed very nice. We took some decent entries in London. You know, I took an entry here on the 15. Long. Bang. Took that long entry there. Stopped actually a little bit below it. But yeah, look at that. 74 tick push there on that gold. Yeah, drop a like, guys. Smash it. We've only got 5. Hit it. Let's get to 10 quickly. Let me just... Yeah, if we can somehow collapse through this level here, this acting as support now, I'd be definitely looking for the sell-off down. But the thing is, there's a lot of people in the community done for the day after the London session trades. Like, there's like 3 or 4 positions you could have taken in London. So I'm coming on because I'm streaming and I'm a US streamer. But, you know, most of I'd say 50% of the trade, 50% of the community might even be done for the day. I know 2 or 3 mentioned before I jumped onto the US that they were finished for the day already because of the wins they took in London, and that's absolutely fine. If I wasn't streaming, I'd be done. I'd be getting on with my day now. Well, getting on with the rest of the day that I have. If we mark up stop losses in TradingView, no, it doesn't, Duncan, mate. Doesn't transfer over at all. TradingView and MT5 are 2 different things. Unless you connect your broker to TradingView, but you know, MT5 and TradingView are nothing to do with each other. Like, TradingView is just for analysis, MT5 is for execution. Bam, bam, bam. Has a little top wick on it, but nothing major. Yeah, I'd be looking for a sell-off into these lows here, but you know, I think gold might pull back a little bit first. You know, even now, look, you got shoulder, head, potential right shoulder here, so you could pull back a little bit more to continue down. Where could we pull back from? This level here, for sure. If we get some rejection and liquidity grabs, bullish liquidity grabs here, yeah, you could look for the pullback long before looking for a short down. You know, it's just playing the range, and it depends where you have your range. For me, the safest bet for today would be sells below here. You know, that's the 4-hour structure too. Yo, we've got 20 people here, nice. Yes, guys, drop a like. Let's get to 10. You know, we're only on 5. Let's get to 10, guys. Smash it. Hope everyone's good, though. Drop a comment if you've just joined. If you got any questions, let me know. Smash the like button, guys. Come on. Starting to close below now. What's the hourly saying? Down. Alex, new law today. Potentially, yeah. I took a sell. I've already taken 3 buys today. Over 100 ticks in profit. So, like I say, I'm not looking to rush into anything. But if we close below 26.12, I'm going to be looking for sells into these laws here. Do I think it can come into these laws today? Probably not, because that'll be the flip of the day. Do I think it'll flip today? No. Do I think we could get that little 40, 50 tick pullback? Yeah, for sure. Ooh, look at that as well. Third touch of that. Third touch there. Bang. Yeah, this was just a lovely sell. Gold could definitely see gold just fly to the downside now. Really nice. Yeah, but like I say, I don't think gold will just do this. Not a chance. It never does that unless it's news. There is a bit of news today, but I don't think it'll do that. You know, you see the pullback, you can get your entry before the short. Afternoon, Saf. How's it going? Wes, hello, Saf. Wes, how's your day been today, guys? What else do I trade, Joe? Alex, I only trade gold. I only trade gold, Alex. What about you? What do you trade, Matt? Yes, guys, smash the like, get it up. Let's go. Everyone's here now. Good stuff. Guys, 450k in funding today. I've got 450k in funding now. Good stuff. Good to see. And everyone else smashing it. Saf. Loving to see the guys in the community smash it. But yeah, Alex, we just trade gold here, mate. Only gold. Yeah, I am a bit, like I said, I am a bit skeptical as well. Look at the 15. 15's not taking any liquidity highs. You know, did that even leave a double top? Yeah, it took it there. But look at this. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. I definitely won't be taking impulse entry shorts on the 15 or the 30. The only impulse entry short you've got is really the 4 hourly or the hourly. But I do expect gold to pull back a little bit. Because of these highs that haven't been taken, look. All these highs here haven't been taken. You could pull back, then continue down. I'd be surprised if it just pushed down. Just started my trading day. Good stuff, Saf. You're smashing it already, bro. You've had a decent week already. There's no need to rush into it now. So nice, man. Well done, mate. Yeah, Wes, appreciate that. Thanks, man. Do you trade based off liquidity? I trade liquidity and levels, yeah. Clauses of levels, and I trade into and away from liquidity. It works. It definitely is the best. And, well, not simple. Clearest for me. Best thing for me right now, what I'd love to see gold do is create a new range. You know, if gold can... This is a lot of time. It's not going to do that. But if it can do something like reject somewhere, and then we get the closure back below, I'd love to sell then. Either that or it's confirmation, unfortunately. But look at that. Anybody, guys, seriously, and I said this already, guys, in the market update video. Anyone going long on the third touch with the stops below, look at that. Retail traders are getting taken out of this market now, look. Why are retail traders going long here? Because they get long at basic trend line. You know, you've got a trend line here. They're going long here. Bang, straight into stop loss. And I mentioned this. If you're going short here, target their stop losses and these laws. You know, we're not trading like retail here. We're trading like proper traders. Opposite to retail. And them targets that I mentioned in the video are getting absolutely crushed now. But seriously, all day we've had some. I've had a long on the hourly here. I took a long on the 15-2 here, and I took a long here to pass another 150k. So that little push there on the 15, I just instantly executed because I only needed like 5 ticks. So I got 5 ticks in like seconds, and then passed. But yeah, sell off on gold here. Look at that. Sell off, sell off, sell off. Let's see how we close on this hourly. We could get some hourly entries. Just give it 15 minutes. Potential hourly entries here. Yeah, I would like the hourly to close below at least 26.11. You know, what if we got, if we close like here, for example, you still got 40 ticks there, which is decent. 15, I'm very, like I say, I'm very skeptical on this 15 too. You know, it's not a lot of time where you see the 15. Look at that. It's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 15-minute highs haven't been taken. So if I was going to enter on the hourly, I'd like the 15 to close, the new hourly top wick, the 15, and then flip down. But we'll see. Cheers for likes, guys. Nice one for likes. See what's... Gold is sell off, sell off, sell off. Look at what a call. What a call that were though. It's like 130 tick call there. Decent. Yeah, I'd be happy to set the hourly. I'll take the hourly. That's the only thing. The hourly or the 4 hourly is the only thing I'll be happy to take right now on impulse. Other than that, I'll be waiting. Hourly sets up fine if it closes like so, but is it going to take that liquidity in 12 minutes? Probably. It's like 45 ticks. But yeah, if you've got any questions, guys, get a question in the comments. Like I say, we're waiting for this hourly to close to see if we can get potential entries here. If you're not already, drop a subscribe. Is there any particular times in the day you took look for trades, or just whenever you like the price action? Yeah, so Alex, obviously you've got, and I say this to the community members a lot too, Alex, like you have got times of the day where volume is the highest. For example, pre-London and London Open, yeah, you've got some good volume there. Pre-US and US Open, you've got some good volume there too. But that doesn't mean you have to, if you're, for example, doing something on them days, or you're just not available to trade them days because of work or life, like the strategy that I teach, you don't need to just trade them times. You can trade, like, if you've got 2 or 3 hours after work and you work till 4 p.m. and you can trade from 4 p.m. till 7 or from 5 p.m. till 8 p.m., you still get great moves, and you still get many opportunities at any time, you know. I personally see many opportunities within the day. I can give you examples where you have, look, even here, look, I know it's news, but even here, if you're trading after 6 p.m. because of work reasons, look at that, you've still got 500 ticks there. Or let's say, let's go on another day. What's this, 8 p.m.? Let's have a look. Let's find it again. Look, bang. From 4 p.m., you've pushed down 200 ticks, and then you've pushed up 200 ticks. So there's volume and opportunities with the strategy that I teach any time of the day. There's none of this, oh, I can't trade this system because I work. Well, no, you work, and then you come home and you do your 3-hour session then. There's definitely enough opportunity. Let's have a look for an example. Let's go back to Monday. Where's Monday? Really quickly. Here, look at this. Look at that bang entry there. That's 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. you've got a valid entry here on Thursday. Down. You've got 120 ticks there from 5 p.m. So even if you do work on the London Open, and even if you do work on the US Open, like if you can, like obviously there's a lot of people who work and trade the system too. If that's possible for you, that you do that. But if you've got like 2 hours before work, 1 hour within work, and 2 hours after work, well, you've got 5 hours there to find opportunities, and absolutely, that's plenty of time. And I can probably find over the last 2 weeks from 4 p.m. till 8 p.m. I could probably find 80 to 100 valid positions, probably. Valid positions, whether that's on the 5, 15, 30 hourly. Yeah, don't think that you can't. Charlie, afternoon, mate. Are you good? Yeah, Charlie, I'm good, thanks. How are you? Good day today. I've got 500k, 500,000 in funding now. So yeah, I'm happy with that. 500,000, 500k in funding, and yeah, I passed another 150k today. So yeah, good day. But yeah, 500,000 funding. Not a bad thing. How are you, Charlie, bro? How are you, Matt? Hey, Sean, how's it going, bro? Welcome, Sean, mate. Give this 20 seconds to refresh. There we go. Beautiful. Like I say, I did have to go and get a new SIM card today, so it might just be warming up a little bit. But I have got decent connection now. Yeah, I'm good, thanks, Sean. How are you, mate? I'm waiting for this hourly to close. If this hourly can close and just give us that 20 ticks, I'd be happy. You know, if we close like here and then just get that 25 ticks, I'm done. Be me done for the US session. 4 trades, 4 wins today. There's no need to push anymore. Yeah, guys, one sec, let me just... Yeah, gold's probably just going to fly down. Probably just going to sell off, to be fair, is Goldie. Yeah, good stuff, Sean, bro. Same. Probably just going to hit TP. How many ticks is that? If it stops here, then yeah, it's worth it. I'd say if it gets to like 15 ticks, it's not going to be worth it for me. If it gets below here and closes below here, it's not going to be worth it. I'd like it to top wick and give us like at least 20 ticks, 15 ticks. Because I can take 15 ticks and be done. But yeah, I am interested, you know, liquidity grab. It's been 3. This is the last one where we can get an entry for the actual impulse. But we've got 5 minutes anyway. Is the 5 minutes? Is the 5 minute taking any highs recently? No, it's not. Only here, push down. It's probably going to just crash into them lows, which is annoying, but it is what it is. Can't complain with the day at all. How's your day been, Sean? Have you traded today yet, mate? Have you traded today yet, Sean, or are you just getting onto it today? What time are we on? At 1 PM I've got a couple of one-to-ones after this. Straight into these laws. And then are basically targets done. Bang, straight into them laws. Unless we close below it. If we close below it, then that's nice. Could probably get a little push more, a little further push down. Below this level. Would that be entry? Yeah. We'll see anyway. Let's wait. It's only hour. It's an hourly entry anyway, so 4 minutes to wait. The thing that we're probably gonna see here on this hourly, this hourly will close like so. You're probably gonna get a quick push down and then a reversal into this level before the push down further. You know, you've got shoulder, head, shoulder. So you're probably gonna see a liquidation of these laws, push higher, continuation down. $30 ticks there though into them lows. I'm very interested. If we can close below this level, yeah. Close below this level, I'll take shorts down. Be a quick trade if it top wicks. We've got 2 minutes to wait. I'm just getting a drink. Back in 30 seconds. Just getting a drink. 2 minutes. Let's see if it gives us a top wick. Let's see if it gives us a top wick. Top wick, push down. Yeah, I mean, if it doesn't, it doesn't. Day's been great. I'm not going to complain at all. I never really complain, but let's see anyway. We've got a decent target there too. What's the 5 look like? Yeah, I want to close below this level at least. It needs to close below here. If it doesn't close below here, then I won't take it. Because that's just acting as resistance then. So we've got... There we go. I hope it doesn't do what I said and instantly push down. I thought it would do that, to be honest. I was very, very certain gold was going to have a quick pullback, push down into this liquidity. Like I just mentioned, I said it's going to quickly push down and pull up, using these laws as liquidity areas. Seriously, guys, when you sit and stare at the gold chart for long enough, you know exactly what it's going to do. And I knew exactly what it was going to do. Seriously, I know it's a bit sad, but it makes your money being sad. Like, I knew it was going to push down instantly there. 30 ticks. Just because, like, when gold breaks a level, just breaks a level like this, when it just closes below a level like so, and has liquidity close with a wick fill, it tends to push in the direction of the wick fill and liquidity first. Like I say, it doesn't have to take the liquidity yet, but it tends to push down straight away first, like 20, 30 ticks, and then reverse. So yeah, like I mentioned before, I think it's going to push down into this liquidity, reverse, and then push back down like so. Anyway, no entry. It is what it is, no entry. We'll go on to move on to the next one. Ugh. Coming into the US session open now anyway. So, good thing what we're seeing now is that we've actually got a level on gold. One sec. Yeah, we've actually got a level here on gold now to get back above for them longs. So if we act as resistance here, for example, let's say price does something like this, takes the liquidity, acts as resistance, then this is a level to go long above. This would be a level to go short. So we just need to wait for that to form now. Or confirm, or somehow pull back, confirm, and then we get the shorts into this liquidity. So there's two possibilities, you know, you can get shorts or pull back longs. But this is going to get taken. This will get taken now, most likely. Yeah, it's been taken. It's been taken. What will that push there? 33 ticks. Yeah, that were expected for me. I kind of expected that. The lack of top wicks on gold though, look at that. No top wick. No top wick. What's the 15 looking like? Is the 15? Wow, look at the 15. 15's taken no top wicks at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Probably going to pull back and take a top wick. Let me check, Duncan. Let me check for you, mate. Give us 30 seconds. Let me check. Let me check, Duncan. Let me check for you, mate. Give us 30 seconds. Let me check. Nah, Duncan, it seems fine on my end. To me personally, on my phone. Guys, how's everyone else's connection to the stream? It says excellent, Duncan. It says excellent connection. I've checked my phone. It says there's no cutting out for me on my phone. Maybe just refresh it from your side if no one else has got a problem. But there's 20 people here. Yeah, potentially, mate. Like, if I had like 3 or 4 people telling me. Normally when my connection drops out, 3 or 4 people, Joe, your connection's going, Joe, you this, Joe, that. But I think it's all right. Like I say, it might be my end, but. Duncan, I don't really. The reason for a top wick is so you can get a stop loss. If you just enter now short, where would your stop loss go? You'd have to put your stop loss all the way up here. You know, that risk to reward into there is nothing. So if you get a top wick, you've got a valid stop loss. Saf, good on my side. Where's 1080p? Seems okay. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, I've got 1080p on mine as well. Cheers, lads. Nice one. Like I say, I just look at the streaming. I have a streaming thing that tells me at the left how good the connection is. And I'll know myself if it drops out. Because it goes from excellent and it will just turn red. And when it turns red, I know there's going to be comments saying, Joe, your connection's going. So I keep my eye on that like every other minute. Like I say, guys, it might drop out for like 10 seconds, but just give it 10 seconds, it'll be fine. I've got it sorted now. But yeah, the reason for waiting for the top wick is because you need it for a valid stop loss. For example, look at this liquidity grab up here when I called the short here. When I called this short, you've got valid stop loss placement, look. Because you've got a wick. Look, this wick, valid stop loss placement. All the way into them lows, 160 ticks. Because you've got a valid stop loss. If you didn't have this top wick, you'd have to put your stop loss all the way up here. Which, looking at this price action now, it's worth it. But at the time, when you've got your first targets here, it's not. Yeah, I'm just going to be waiting for gold to create a new range now, guys. Seriously. Anybody who's here, who's in the community, you'll understand. You'll understand everything. When you see price have these moves. If you caught, I know like 3 or 4 members caught some shorts in this price action. And that's great. If you're catching, I personally left it because I was already up like over 100 ticks here. There's no need to be rushing into things. I only just came on for the session like an hour ago. But you'll know what we need to wait for now is potentially something like this. Range here, buys above, sells below, something like that. But you need to give it like 20 minutes at least. The only way I'd buy gold now would be if we break back above half wrist longs. Because this is the only range I've got now. So yeah, we need to wait. Let's see how this 15 closes. Because if this 15 closes bullish, rejecting the level, then you've got 15-minute half-risk entries there. So 1 minute we can be looking like we're not going to be taking anything, and literally in like 3 minutes we can be looking. So stay tuned. And guys, if I don't think there's going to be entries for the next hour, I won't just make you watch my stream. Like, be aware of that. Like, if I think there's potential longs or potential shorts or potential trades at all, I will stay on. And this is why I'm staying on now, because I still feel like we've got entry potential. Like I say, I'm not just going to sit here if I think that we're not going to see anything for an hour. No way. It's a waste of your time and a waste of my time too. So, obviously, if we've got questions flowing and people just want to answer questions, that's absolutely fine. Yeah. But yeah, I do think there's potential entry here still. You know, there's a few. What I'll be looking for now is either gold to get back above here for longs, half risk longs, or to create a new range. If we create a new range, and this is the range, then you've got full risk above, full risk below. So there's 3 or 4 opportunity potentials. Yeah, we just need to wait for this to close in 4 minutes, because anybody who trades gold, you'll know that gold can look bearish like so, and in 3 minutes, this can be a bullish candle like this. So you have to let it close. Hey, how's it going? How's your day been? Saf, are you ready for payout soon on your accounts? How's your accounts doing, bro? Are you ready for payout soon or what? Yeah, good stuff, Good stuff, good stuff. If it ends bearish, what will happen? If it ends bearish, I won't be looking to short because we've taken the liquidity here. The only way I'd look to short is if we create a new range. You know, you can look for confirmation down into these lows, but the liquidity is too far away. So, yeah, if we do confirm, but the thing you got to know is that if we do pull back and confirm, you're going to have created a new range, so then confirmation won't be valid. So it's very unlikely that we are going to see a confirmation trade. What I'll be looking for now, Nephirus, is I'll be waiting for a new range to form and then to close below for shorts. But I'm just looking for them pullback longs now above here. Guys, anybody here who's interested in joining the Discord community, learning the full strategy, getting involved in the members chats, everything. Guys, if you want to join the community, learn the full strategy, basically one-to-one mentorship, members chats, trade breakdowns, full strategy. I've just linked the link in the YouTube comments. Click that and you can join the Discord community and, you know, get profitable. But yeah, welcome Nephiros. Welcome to the stream, bro. But yeah, the amount that you get in the Discord community, not just like you get the full strategy, you get like me helping you daily, but you also get the trade breakdowns, you get the members chats where you can talk to people, share ideas, you can message me. Seriously, guys, it's a very good environment, and it's none of this BS that you see with other groups where they'll charge you quite hefty money and you'll just throw you in a group and just stick you there, and you'll have no idea what you're doing, no help, no chats, no nothing. It's a joke. So it is like I say, and most people who do come to me, they say, I've never seen a group structured the way I've structured it. You had a good day, Joe. Just catching up on the Discord. Yeah, I'm 450k now in funding. 450. Well, 3 accounts. I've got 500 altogether. 500k in funding altogether. Look at that sell-off, guys. I don't mean to just say it. I literally said gold here at 26.21. I said we're gonna see a little sell-off on gold, and it's absolutely flown down almost 200 ticks. You know, if you wanted to, and this is what I mean when you learn the concepts that I teach. When you learn the concepts that I teach, you don't have to be fixated on the charts. Like I day trade. I have like 2 sessions a day where I'll trade like maybe 2 to 3 hours London, 2 to 3 hours in the US, and then I'll probably, you know, I'll sit at the charts for maybe 2 hours in London fully, and then 2 hours in US fully. But for the rest of it, I've just got alerts set. But even if you had no time, you know, if you learn the concepts, this is a textbook trade. Liquidity grab, closure. Look at that, bang, 4 to 1. You know, if you trade, like I said, if you're trading one contract, 200, you've got like 200 ticks there on one contract. Insane. Nice one, appreciate it. Let's smash it, have you thought about taking a top step, or are you still on personal? Yeah, I'll be waiting on this 30 close now, guys. Depending on how this 30 closes in 15 minutes is depending on if I'm going to stay on or not. I'm only giving it another 15 minutes because this 30 can close bullish back above the range, and then we can take some half risk buys. If it doesn't, I'll be waiting for a new range below, okay? So yeah. Then you got the potential hourly pullback trade too. So there's a couple of entries here. Yeah, maybe have a look into it. Like I say, are you still trading your personal or are you still trading your personal all the time? Yeah, I think gold's just gonna fly down, to be honest. I do think it's gonna pull back though. Like I mentioned before, I do think it's gonna pull back some. If it's back into this level and continuation down, you know, we get the continuation play. Simple as that. Because I am still looking for continuation plays lower. Yeah, good stuff, Am. Yes, nice work, Am. Keep smashing the personal. Like I say, for me, I'll be bringing my personal back soon. But for me, like any payouts or any money that you get, if you even savings, like instead of sticking it in a bank and get, like for me personally, this is what I think. Instead of sticking it in a bank and getting no, basically any return on your money, you know, if you can use your personal like your savings, and you're profitable and consistent, this is what I think anyway. It's way better. Yeah, drop me a message as well if you want. Drop me a message after the stream. Or drop me a message now and I can explain it to you. Yeah, let's see how this 30 closes anyway. You know, we've got 11 minutes here. Like I said, the day's been great today. Don't get me wrong, I didn't take any positions yesterday. The chop was unreal, like. And that's the difference as well, guys. Monday, Tuesday, insane. Wednesday, shocking. Not shocking, there was a couple of positions, but I didn't take them because I wasn't convinced. And then today, insane. These are the moves we want on gold. Yeah, we're just waiting on this 30 or some confirmation. Even the 5 confirmed there. You got 5 confirmation there. But like I say, I'm not dissecting it. That's beautiful. That's actually textbook. That 5-minute confirmed so cleanly. Look at that. Like I say, I didn't take it. You'd be break even anyway. If you did take the confirmation here, confirmation play, you'd be break even. You know, you'd push like almost 20 ticks there. You'd be definitely break even on this. But even so, on a confirmation, if you just aim for like 15, 20 ticks, you've got another position there. Look at that. But yeah, we got news soon as well, haven't we? I just remembered that. When is news? I put it in the chat. We've got news. Let me check on my phone. Yeah, we've got news at 1:30. Yeah, 10 minutes. Yeah, you got news in 10 minutes. But that 5 confirmation was there. Look, liquidity grab closed bearish. You'd be break even or partials on that, depending on what you want to take. But the main trade for me today, I'll go through my trades today. I took a 15-minute entry. Let's replay it back. I took a 15-minute entry here when it wants to replay. Like I say, we're playing with a bit of dodgy connection today. But, yeah, look. I took this 15-minute entry. Bang. Stops below the range. Look at that. Beautiful. Straight into profit. I took about 50 ticks profit there. I also took the hourly entry. The hourly entry was a bit earlier here. So I took this hourly too. Where's the hourly? Where did the hourly actually flip? Were it lower or higher? Yeah, the hourly was lower. The hourly flip was here. So I took 2 entries there. Bang, look at that. 2 beautiful entries there. Both won. And then, look at that. As soon as we get out, bang, straight down. The power of liquidity. The power of the plan. That's what we do. News buys or sells. I'm going to say buy pullback on news. I think news will pull back. You know, come back into some levels and then continue down. Just because of... Seriously, guys, news works on liquidity. When you see sells like this, pre-news... Right, understand what retail... Right, guys, seriously, quick news. And this is why I don't like to say I get news right all the time. This is why I get news right most of the time. Because look, every time you look at news, look what news did 15 minutes before, okay? News has sold off, okay? What's that going to do? That's going to entice sellers into the market. Why? Because they're seeing these red candles. They're seeing these red candles. Every time it goes red, they're selling. Don't tell me why. That's what retail traders think like. And they'll have their stops over here, like so. So what's that going to do? Selling off before news. What's going to happen on news? It's going to hit their liquidity, their stop losses, and then the real move to the downside will happen. So for me personally, like I say, I don't trade news. I don't use this analysis to trade news. You know, I don't guess, I react. So for me personally, if I would go and have a little bit of fun to see what news was going to do, I'd say it would pull back, take some retail stop losses and then push down. How far is it going to pull back? I don't know. It could pull back even further before pushing down, but I do think it's going to pull back first. Okay. But yeah, we've got news in 7 minutes. Let's see what news does. If news ruins everything, I'll just sign off and stay active in the community. I have got a one-to-one to do in an hour. So I need to get off for that anyway, but we'll see what happens in 7 minutes. Hopefully we can try and get some longs too in 6 minutes. I'm going to try and get some longs back above here. Yeah, I've been on for a decent chunk. I've been on for an hour and 10. But we'll see. We've got 5 minutes until news anyway. Guys, if you've just joined, drop a like. Let's drop a like, guys. Get to 10. 2 more. 2 more. How many were on? We're on 8. Yeah, 2 more, guys. If you've just joined, drop a like. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. Come on, let's get to 10. We normally smash 10 in the first 30, 40 minutes. We are a bit quieter today, to be fair. Not as many people. We normally have like 25, 30 people. We've got about, I'd say on average, like 18, 19 today. Yeah, average today is like 17. It's normally like 25. So it is what it is. Like I say, Thursdays and Monday to Wednesdays on stream are very busy. Thursday and Friday isn't, because everyone's already made the bank before. Everyone's already made the bank before the weekend. That's what I find anyway. Especially you have a lot of news on Friday as well. A lot of people just write Friday off. You know, if they've made profit, they'll write it off, which is a good thing. You know, if you've got big news, when it gets to the US session anyway, you know, that's why you tend to see Fridays not as busy. But it is what it is. Like I say, I'll turn up every day. It doesn't matter for me. Nice one, guys. Smashed it. 10. Right, now I want 20. I'm joking. 10 sound. Right, we've got news in 3 minutes anyway. Let's see what the news brings, okay? And then we'll go from there. Like I say, 3 wins already today. 3 trades, 3 wins for me. So, I'm not pushing it. What is news going to do, though? What is it going to do? 3 minutes. What's everyone else think he's going to do? Drop a comment what you think he's going to do, guys. Guys, if you've just joined, welcome to the stream. Let me know what you think news will do. Buys or sells. I personally feel a pullback coming on gold. You know, retail will be going short on these red candles. They'll have the stop losses on these highs, potentially. Highs here, even maybe a little bit higher like so. So for me, I think news will pull back. I'm not saying that news is going to be bullish. No, I'm saying that we're going to have a little pullback at least, I think, before the push down. But don't get me wrong, I don't trade news. It's not something I do. So this is just like a guess. Bit of fun. Anthony drop. Wes up, buy, then sells. Yeah, potentially. I think the same was. Like I say, I'll stay on for another couple of minutes. The 30 minutes not going to give me the entry, so I'll see what the news does, and then I'm going to head off. I'll stay active in the community, guys. It's been a great day today. Over 100 ticks in profit, so there's no need to push anything for me. You know, I've taken like 105 ticks today. I will stay active, and I will be updating the community, of course. I do have a trade breakdown to record 2 for today. You know, we took over about we took 90 ticks here today, 2 trades. So I do need to break that down. I'll upload that maybe Saturday or tomorrow. Probably Saturday, to be honest. Full margin news buys, 100% guaranteed. Yeah, I think so as well. I think long. Not 100% guaranteed. I never say it's guaranteed, but just seriously, guys, just look at the 15 highs here. If news just drops, you know, I'd be very surprised. It hasn't taken any highs here on the 15. It's going to at least pull back a little bit. You know, you've got at least on news, I'd say, in 15 seconds, you've got at least 50 ticks to the upside first. If it drops now, though, watch me. Everyone just leaves. We'll see anyway. Let's see. Fun. So fun. What news rate? Oh, final GDP. It's not even going to rock the market too much anyway. Oh, unemployment claims too. Eh? Were the figures around 245k? What were the figures, guys? If it were around 200, if it was like 245k, the figures, then nah, nothing. Depends what the figures were. If the figures were around 240k, it's not going to really do much. I don't know the exact figures. One sec. Let me find out. Give us 30 seconds, I'll find out. Where are we? Wednesday. Where were the figures? Oh no, we're expected 229k, 220. When I screenshot it, we're expected 240. That changed. Yeah, it were basically around where it was forecasted, like 9k different. It won't really do much. Yeah, it's expected. Yeah, nothing. Well, I say nothing. It's pushed down like 30 ticks. Yeah, nothing. Not like yesterday. Look at that. Bang. 500 ticks down. But yeah, I'm probably going to call it in 5 minutes. Probably going to call it in 5 minutes, guys. The lack of top wicks on the 15 is very telling to me. Oh, but we are coming into a fair value gap. And we have got an order block here. And we have got a change of structure. And we have got a Fibonacci. And we have got this line here that price is passing in. So if ICT is telling me, what ICT is telling me is that we're going to come down into here. And then when we come down into here, we're going to change of structure, come back into that silver bullet. When we come back into that silver bullet, it needs to be at least 9 a.m. If it's not 9 a.m., I can't take the trade. But once we get back into this fair value gap, order block, inverse, head and shoulders, turtle soup, we're going to go long. Because he said. Sorry, guys. I just wanted a bit of fun. %98 win rate. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Yeah, just not for me, guys. I'm not going to stay on, waste any time. YouTube, guys. Anybody on YouTube, or it goes for the Discord members too. I will update the Discord soon. But what I'm going to be waiting for now is gold just to create some levels, create some range where we are now. Right now, there's nothing to work with. So I'm going to be waiting for gold to create a range. Okay? Yeah, stay patient. Wait for the range to form. For example, if price comes up and does something like this, then perfect. You've got your range like so to work for sells, and you've got a range for buys too. So give it, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes. Let the 15 minute give some price action. And then, but for now, I'm just going to have a clean chart, and I'll probably reanalyze in about 30 to an hour. But for me now, I'm going to get off, guys. I'll stay active in the community. If you've got any questions, put them there, guys, in the community. It's been a great day. 3 trades, 3 wins. There's no need to force it. I'm going to let the price action come to me, let it form that new range, and then buys above, sells below, into the liquidity. Lol. Saf. Yeah, Gracie. Saf, that's it. Sorry, seriously, guys, I'm only having a bit of fun. If you're an ICT trader or order block trader and it works for you, it was only a bit of fun. Don't get me wrong. If you're profitable with whatever strategy, you do that. I have no bad thing to say about any strategy. If it works for you, it works for you. But yeah, good stuff, guys. Ron, fires, no worries. Anyway, guys, community guys, I'll see you there. Anybody here from YouTube, just on YouTube, not in the community, make sure you join the community if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you on YouTube tomorrow, okay? I've been on for about an hour and 20 minutes, but yeah, nothing's going to set up in the next 40 minutes at least. I need a bit of price action to, you know, like we had here. Look at this. We set up a nice range here. It took like an hour to set it up. I'll be waiting for that to set up somewhere like here or two, okay? So yeah, guys, I'm going to head off. Not waste any time, and I will update the community when I need to. Okay, in a bit, Wes. Cheers, bro. Yeah, in a bit, guys. Bye.